Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix the error 0x000016 with a blue screen of death code on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to download the latest graphics card drivers. Go to intel.com and search for graphics card drivers in the Intel search bar at the top right corner. Download these drivers to your system and install them. The next solution would be to reinstall the program or game which was causing the error at the first place. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to apps on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on apps and features. Then you will get the list of applications here. Click on the relevant application and select uninstall to uninstall it. After that, you can reinstall it from the manufacturer's website. The last solution would be to disable the sleep functionality of the system. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on change plan settings corresponding to your current power plan. Then for put computer to sleep, change it to never for both on battery and plugged in mode and click on save changes. This should solve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.